It's time to take action to build a high-wage America. We went to Pittsburgh, Cleveland, and Chicago to find out how to support high-quality, good-paying jobs in diverse and resilient communities. This is what we heard.
Pittsburgh lost 150,000 jobs, manufacturing jobs, back in the 1980s when the industry collapsed, when the steel industry collapsed. What we saw with that collapse was not only a loss of identity, we saw thousands and thousands of people leave town, we saw towns go bankrupt, and we saw poverty rise.
When I was growing up on my one block of black family-owned homes, everybody worked. And most of the men on that street worked in plants. And so it was the economic foundation of the black community in which I lived and grew up.
Manufacturing is really vital to Ohio communities, and I think the most important reason, there are many, but the most important reason is that the manufacturing sector in Ohio has traditionally been a vehicle for broadly shared prosperity through our communities.
We're here to learn and listen and hopefully build a comprehensive agenda to revitalize manufacturing jobs and build a high-wage economy for everyone.
We took what we heard and we turned it into a national agenda to revitalize manufacturing communities.
How do we take back our power to actually revitalize good manufacturing jobs, create opportunities for black workers, for women, for real training, and the kind of manufacturing that we should aspire to and not be begging for?
It's time to fund innovation.
No, we're not building the widgets of the past. Today's manufacturing jobs are technologically advanced.
To call us Rust Belt demeans our work and diminishes who we are. Today's factories in Ohio and around the country aren't rusting, they're innovative, they're high-tech.
Invest in education and training.
It's important, I think, even for students to see the possibilities for their future. So young people can take advantage of the increasing numbers of workforce training possibilities, where you're not only being exposed to the skills, you have an opportunity for certification, and with that certification, you can get that job.
Support sustainable industries.
Only through manufacturing can we solve the crisis of the environment by new products and new processes. It's the only sector that can really build a broad-based middle class.
It's not good jobs or a clean environment. It's not either or. It's both or neither. And we're going to fight like hell to defend and grow manufacturing.
And secure good-paying jobs for all workers.
Manufacturing matters because it is an accessible, tangible opportunity for young people to get out of poverty.
Let's put America back on the path to high-wage jobs.
It's no accident that America has the highest poverty rate in the advanced world. It's no accident our wages have stagnated for a generation. We chose the policies that made that inevitable, and we can choose policies to make America a high-wage nation again.